So apparently, the decision has been taken. The JFF cannot afford another big name foreign coach. So they are set to proceed full speed ahead with a self-chosen local coaching staff. The big assumption by the JFF, though, is that if they go for a foreign coach, it must be a high-profile, big-name, expensive foreign coach. As if there are no qualified, maybe not so expensive foreign coaches on the market. A coach who would cost less money, but would be a workable option. What's the name, for example, of the coach who qualified Haiti for the World Cup? Likewise, what's the name of the coach who qualified the Democratic Republic of Congo for the World Cup? In other words, there must be proper coaches out there who will take on the Jamaican project for a reasonable price, and who would most importantly operate without the bias, prejudice, vindictiveness, and pettiness of any and every local coach.